first. And second, it was started by my husband only. I would like to quote an example here. A few years back, when we have just got married, and we were just visiting to everyone's home. So what happened? They were giving that small amount of money, nahi dete, as muh dikhai in Indian ritual. So my husband clearly denied to everyone, especially from my side. He said that, look, today we are going to accept it, but what are we going to inculcate in our children? That small amount of money is really very necessary. So he clearly said, if you want to give, just give 50 rupees or 100 rupees. And that too just so that is a blessing. Even if you have a 10 rupee note, just give it as a blessing. I'll just keep it in my locker. I don't want to spend it. That is your blessing. That's all. Try not to give more than that. And try to inculcate this habit in your children. So I really like that habit of his, and this is the reason from that time till this time we are really famous in both the families, that neither we take nor we give. But when it comes to the kids, if we have any kids in any part of the family, so we try to take just chocolates, toffees. That's all. Nothing more than that. Just to keep their expectations on a balanced level. Because today we can afford, later on in future, by God's grace, nothing should happen. But if anything happens, so we really don't want to lose anyone's expectations, or one should not expect from us. That was my opinion. Yes, Geetu ji, I would like to hear from you now.
Ma'am, can I add something?
After Geetu ji, because she has entered very late.
Uh, yes, ma'am. I think this is not good for exchange gifts, because it's going only because of fashion, and because of teenagers.
Because of teenagers.
Yeah, teenagers want to show and want to highlight in social media actually.
Right. That is a very valid point.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm seeing in my home also, because
Right.
my
So this
my daughter also like gifts and surprise. Yeah,
Yes.
so ma'am, someone when we a rich person give a good gift, so when a poor person, I mean to say,
An average
which
person.
yes ma'am,
An average person.
yeah, an average person can't afford, and so he will
He feels guilty.
hide that gift, because he and
True.
मैम वो बहुत शर्मिंदा महसूस करता है वहां पे.
He would feel ashamed. He would feel ashamed in that situation.
Yeah. He would feel
That is also.
ashamed. So we don't exchange. We shouldn't exchange gifts, and yeah, as you say, we should give chocolates and cake.
Right.
Yeah,
we should smile on faces of the children.
Should
Right.
give only this type of gift, and we can make happy to others, or our dearest from other ways also.
Right. Absolutely right.
Gifts are not मैम एक गिफ्ट ही तरीका नहीं है उनको खुश रखने का.
Yes, gift is not only the way to make them happy. Gift is not only the way to make them happy.
Yeah, gift is not the way make them happy. But
Not
nowadays it keeps on changing. Yeah, and it's making fashion to gift exchange to our relatives and friends. And when there is ma'am, there is last year my daughter's friend was birthday, and my daughter gave her a costly gift.
Hmm.
Then she was saying, and her chachi also was saying, Aarti, you give that is very costly gift, and I should also give you. No, I should also think
Buy
about
a
it.
similar gift.
Yeah,
I
I
should.
also think about it. But,
हाँ,
but on her birthday, she didn't give any gift.
look, look, there the expectations are broken. You
Yeah.
now understood that what kind of expectations I was talking about. These expectations, then expectations are arising from one thing to the another, and it keeps on arising. That is the problem.
Yes, ma'am. Because she can't afford. Actually, she can afford, but they are very मतलब बहुत कंजूस लोग हैं.
They are very miser. MIS. Yeah.
Miser.
They are very miser. They can afford.
Right.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
that's why she. And nowadays she can't. She will not talk with her. They are not talking to each other. I don't know why.
For only just gift.
Yes, ma'am.
If if she would have given a very petty gift or a very cheap sort of gift, so then the comparison is there. That is the problem. Once the gift is given, and if you're going to get the return gift, definitely the comparison is there. If the person is not going to give, then definitely it is their wrong gesture that you have given the gift and they have not. At least they should have given a petty gift. So yes, I mean, this is the
Actually, ma'am, it's
reality
a
of
very complicated process. It's very
Ma'am, we give. Ma'am, we
absolutely right.
give them
Very
gift.
complicated process.
Ma'am, we purchase that gift in offer. Okay, so we yeah, but their tag is they their tag
The
is
tag,
on that dress 2000 something. So they was very confused.
they were very confused at how
They
expensive
were
you
very
have given to
confused.
us. So they have actually gone to that level that not to give gift anything.
Ma'am,
It would be
ma'am,
really better.
I also
Why to
told
give?
her, I also told that girl that I take this gift in offer, and this is not costly. But she feels shy, I think.
She felt shy, huh? She felt embarrassed or something, right? Okay, well explained. Anita, you wanted to add something. I interrupted her. Yes, Anita ji.
Sometimes people who are fufaji in our family,
Okay.
and
Fufaji and
they
Mosaji.
only fufaji and Dawai,
Fufaji and Mosaji.
they
Hmm.
don't get according to their uh, type of gift. They take it as a ego or prestige. They didn't they don't respect
Ah,
of us, and
ah, yes. That is also
it
the
is
truth.
happens
That is
in
also.
Indian family.
Actually,
Ah,
ma'am, at present, people measure their respect
according to the
according to
gift given,
the amount they.
amount of amount they're getting. Yes, absolutely right. That is
If
the
someone
reality.
gives
That is
Ma'am,
the
one
them
reality.
reason for that,
expensive
ma'am,
gift, then they think that,
yeah,
oh, they
ma'am, one
respect me a
reason that,
lot, they love me a
Right.
lot, and
yeah,
Absolutely.
ma'am, way of the gift, they are showing their that level
Ah, right.
that
And
I am. We are high level families. We are from high
we are
level families.
and ma'am,
high level
people
instead of that lavish company.
who are capable, ma'am,
Ravishing.
people who are capable, they
Ah,
give gift according to people's status. They don't give gift
Mhm.
according to their status. If their
Right.
relatives is uh, average family, middle class, then they give gift that average type of gift. And if your
Absolutely.
relative is very rich, and then they give expensive gift.
They buy
They
special
discriminate.
gift.
They don't give
Discriminate.
gift according to their status, na?
Right. Absolutely right.
Yeah, ma'am. There
That
are
is so
sometimes
valuable.
sometimes ago on 21st November, my sister-in-law's son and her wife was anniversary, and my sister-in-law is a partial. So
Okay.
she yeah, she make to ma'am मैम उनका उठना बैठना बड़े लोगों के साथ नहीं in politics.
Her aura is lavish. Her aura is lavish and in with political leaders. I have written that word lavish.
Yeah, aura in
Yeah.
political
Not
legal.
ravish, lavish.
So
Lavish.
mother-in-law, my mother-in-law also told me, how can we give the small not matlab,
A cheaper gift.
no, we should give them expensive gift, but we can't afford that. So I told
Right.
why mommy, why should I give expensive gift? We should give मतलब हमारे लेवल
Gift
के हिसाब से
according
उनको देना है, उनके लेवल से
according
हिसाब
to
से
our
नहीं.
level.
Yeah,
According to our level
we
or
should
status.
give them,
According to our financial
yeah.
status. According to our financial status.
So we
True.
should give them according of our level and status. Then she
Absolutely.
says okay, but she was not
Then
happy.
she agrees. Oh
Last
my God.
dialogue is good.
Your explanation is awesome. The way you explain your emotions is awesome. We really enjoy your conversation. She
Man, I
You
agrees
want
saw,
with
to
your whole
share.
conversation.
ma'am, you saw yesterday pic.
Ah,
Well,
how is it happening? No? How did it happen?
ma'am,
Seriously,
Just
double
just
Ola?
only for
you,
1 second, your profile is showing for double.
yes,
Ah.
For
Actually,
just
ma'am,
a
Wait.
second. Did you
you
take the
are
screenshot?
there was
and I
some
take
network
screenshot.
issue. Network.
Ah.
So your first profile was still, and
Still
after
there.
as your
Oh,
connection
see,
was
then there was
started,
electricity breakdown
uh,
was there.
so for friction of second, two profiles were there.
Then
Ah,
I,
right.
then I take screenshot.
advantage of.
You all would be thinking that we are not able to handle one. How are we going to handle two of them? Oh my God.
No, and
Ma'am, I
we
want
also thought that we gave double fees.
to.
We have to give double fees.
Getting double advantage. Getting double advantage. Oh, very true. Excellent. Okay. Fine. It was a very good conversation with all of you related to this topic because I know that you all have given the correct perspective according to you. Okay, where do we use whom? WHOM, whom? WHOM. Can you
जिसको
people frame a sentence with that? Whom? WHOM.
जिसको
किसको?
Ah, yes,
Oh.
yes, right. Now, can you people frame a sentence with it? Any one of you? I think you all should frame a sentence. One sentence each.
the person whom required money.
The person who requires the money, but whom हो जाएगा just who.
Ma'am,
Then
whom is coming in first, मतलब, in starting.
no, it is a relative pronoun. It comes in between. And if we talk about the interrogative statements, तो interrogative में आ जाता है by whom is it done? किसके द्वारा ये हुआ गया? So whom cannot be used in the starting as a subject.
Okay.
Can we
By
say
whom?
whom?
By whom made this
Hmm.
mischief?
By whom is this mischief done?
Okay. By whom is this
You are
mischief
teaching
done?
whom?
Whom are you teaching?
Whom are you
Yes.
teaching?
Yes, you can use it in the starting then. Whom are you teaching? किसको पढ़ा रहे हो? Who are you teaching? Or whom are you teaching? Give one and the same meaning there. Okay? Whom are you teaching? किसको पढ़ा रहे हो? Or who are you teaching? किसको पढ़ा रहे हो? Both of them gives the same meaning. Then it is right. Good. अच्छा, whom
Ma'am,
has to be used? Yes, Anita ji.
I want to give this gift to whom are needy.
Who are needy?
Who are
Who
needy.
are these? Who is needy?
जो needy. For instance, if I say the man whom I rescued is now in hospital. जिसको मैंने बचाया था. The man whom I rescued is now in hospital. Jisko. So basically, you need to use it as jisko in the sentence. Okay, try to make 2 sentences each with this. This is an important one, relative pronoun whom. So even if you can make it like the interrogative one as Geetuji has made, you can do that also. Okay, enough for today. Okay.
ma'am,
Good afternoon. Yes,
one question is there.
please.
Ma'am,
Please ask two questions.
what is difference in teacher and tutor?
Okay, there is basically no difference between them, but there is a difference between teacher and educator.
Teacher and
Teacher and
Educate.
educator. Educator.
teacher
Now
and
you would ask me teacher, educator. EDUCA. जिसे कहते हैं ना, he is my educator. So people say it is a synonym, but no, it is not a synonym. It has a difference. Teacher is one who is just teaching the academic subjects, okay, academic qualification and academic subjects who are teaching. Educator is one who tries to just frame you, mold you totally, physically, morally, your aesthetically, and all the other features which are taught by the teacher also and educator too. That is basically an educator. Educator पूरा form करता है child. It forms the child completely. But teacher only teaches related to the studies, to the
And
academics.
she is
But
only
tutor
mother.
and teacher. Hmm?
And she is
Yeah.
only mother.
That's the only mother, right? Nobody else.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay,
Bye. Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Bye.